everyone, welcome to Easy Byte, the place where learning C is easy and fun. Here are 300 plus beginners friendly MCQs to test and boost your skills. We will cover all the main topics in C. Ready to learn and level up? Let's begin. Who is the creator of C language? The options are James Gosling, John Beckes, Dennis Ritchie, and Ken Thompson. Option C is correct. Dennis Ritchie created the C language. In which year the C language was developed? The options are 1980, 1972, 1965, and 1990. Option B is correct. C was developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie. C language was developed at the options are Bell Labs, Microsoft, MIT, and IBM. Option A is correct. Bell Labs is where C was born as a system programming language. Which of the following is a valid C identifier? And the options are 123 where underscore name, int, void. Option B is correct. Identifiers can't start with digit or keywords. What is the correct extension of a C program file? The options are .txt, .c, .cpp, .java. Option B is correct. C source file typically uses the .c extension. What is the default return type of the main function in C? The options are void, float, int, and char. Option C is correct. The standard return type is int, indicating success or error. Which symbol is used to indicate the end of statement in C? And the options are dot, comma, semicolon, colon. Option C is correct. Semicolon is used to terminate statements. What is the output of the following printf statement? And the options are hello space world, hello world in the next line, hello world without space, and error. Option B is correct. /n creates a new line, so the output is printed in the next line. Which of the following is not a keyword in C? The options are auto, register, get, and extern. Option C is correct. Get is not a keyword. Other are storage class specifier. This function is used to print output on the screen in C. The options are scanf function, print function, printf function, and output function. Option C is correct. Printf function is used to display output. C is a. The options are high-level language, middle-level language, low-level language, and machine language. Option B is correct. C is considered a middle-level language as it combines the features of both high and low-level languages. What is the correct syntax to include a header file? Options are given below. Option D is correct way to include standard system header files in C. The #include directive tells the compiler to include the content of the header file. Angle brackets are used for standard library headers, while double quotes are used for user-defined headers. Which header file is required for printf and scanf function? Options are conio.h, stdlib.h, stdio.h, math.h. Option C is correct. stdio.h stands for standard input-output header. What does /n signify in C? Options are new character, new screen, new line, and null. Option C is correct. /n is a escape sequence for a new line. Which of the following is not a valid data type in C? Options are int, float, real, and char. Option C is correct. Real is not a standard C data type. What does return statement do in main function? Options are prints result, terminates function, returns control to OS, and nothing. Option C is correct. Return passes control back to the operating system. The maximum number of characters in a C identifier is. Options are 31, 32, 33, and 63. Option A is correct. According to the C standard, at least 31 characters should be significant. Which of the following is not a valid escape sequence? Options are /t, /n, /a, and /c. Option D is correct. /c is not recognized in C. C language is. Options are object-oriented, procedural, functional, and scripting. Option B is correct. C follows a procedural programming approach. Which function is used to accept input from the user in C? Options are print function, get function, scanf function, and cin. Option C is correct. Scanf function is used for taking user input in C. As include is called. Options are preprocessor directive, function, operator, and compiler. Option A is correct. It tells the preprocessor to include file before compilation. Comments in C begins with. As we can see, we are having 4 options. Option A is correct. C uses both single-line comments as well as multi-line comments. Which of the following is not a valid constant? Options are A in single quotes, ABC in double quotes, 123.45 and ABC. Option D is correct. ABC is an identifier, not a constant. What is the size of int in C? Options are 2 bytes, 4 bytes, 8 bytes, and depends on compiler. Option D is correct. It varies by system and compiler, commonly 4 bytes. Which one is a case-insensitive language? Options are C, C++, Java, and none of the above. Option D is correct. All are case-sensitive. What is the output of the following printf statement? Options are 2, 4, 1, and depends on OS. Option C is correct. The size of char is always 1 byte in C. Which of these is not a valid format specifier? Options are %d, %f, %s, %p, and all are valid. Option E is correct. All given options are standard format specifier in C. %d is used to print integer value, %f is used to print float or double value, %s is used to print a string or character array, %p is used to print a pointer or memory address. Which of the following language influenced the creation of C? Options are Java, C++, B, and Python. Option C is correct. The B language came before C and helped in creating the C language. Which function is used to clear the screen? Options are clear screen, clear, CLS, and reset. Option A is correct. Clear screen is provided by Conio.h, which is not a part of standard C. Which keyword is used to declare a constant? Options are perm, const, fixed, and let. Option B is correct. We use const to declare a constant in C. Which of the following is a primary data type in C? Options are array, int, struct, and pointer. Option B is correct. Int is a primary data type in C, while array, struct, and pointers are derived or user-defined data types. Which data type is used to represent single characters in C? Options are int, float, char, and string. Option C is correct. The char data type is used to store a single character. Which is the correct format specifier for float? Options are %f, %d, %p, and %c. Option A is correct. %f is used to print float values in C. What will size of double returns on most platforms? Options are 2, 4, 8, and 1. Option C is correct. A double typically occupies 8 bytes on most systems. Which is the correct syntax to declare a variable in C? Options are given below, and the correct option is B. What is the size of char in C? Options are 2, 1, 4, and 8. Option B is correct. Char data type occupies 1 byte. Which of these is not a valid data type in C? Options are short, long, decimal, and float. Option C is correct. Decimal is not a valid keyword in C. What is the correct way to declare a constant integer in C? Options are given below, and the option C is correct. Both A and B are correct ways to declare a constant integer. What is the range of int in a 32-bit system? Options are given below, and option C is correct. A 32-bit signed int ranges from about -2.1 billion to +2.1 billion. Which keyword is used to declare floating point variables? And the options are double, float, decimal, and real. Option B is correct. We use the keyword float to declare floating point variables. Which of these modifiers doubles the storage capacity of an int? Options are short, long, const, and static. Option B is correct. The long modifier increases the storage capacity of an integer. What is the default values of an uninitialized local variable? Options are 0, garbage value, null, and undefined. Option B is correct. Local variable hold garbage values if not initialized. Which is the correct variable name? Options are int @temp underscore num1 and 1 value. Option C is correct. Underscore num1 is valid. Variable names can start with an underscore. Which data type is used for true or false values in C? Options are bool, underscore bool, logical, and bit. Option B is correct. C uses underscore bool for Boolean values. Bool is available in C99 with stdbool.h. What is the result of int x equal to 5.5? Options are compilation error, 5 is stored, 0.5 is discarded, 5.5 is rounded to 6, and it stores 5.5. Option B is correct. Only the integer part is stored, the decimal is truncated. Which of these is not a type modifier in C? Options are signed, unsigned, const, and short. Option C is correct. Const is a qualifier, not a type modifier. What is the maximum value that can be stored in an unsigned int on a 32-bit system? Options are given below. And option C is correct. An unsigned 32-bit integer can hold value up to 4.29 billion. Which of these is a user-defined data type? Options are int, float, struct, and double. Option C is correct. Struct is a user-defined data type in C. What is the output of the following printf statement? Options are size of int in byte, 4 on most systems, depends on the system, and all of the above. Option D is correct. Size of int depends on the system and compiler and is typically 4 bytes. What is the correct way to initialize multiple variables? Options are given below, and the correct option is C. Each variable must be explicitly initialized in C. What will be the output of the code snippet below? And the options are A 65, compilation error, and undefined. Option B is correct. The ASCII value of A is 65, which is printed. Which format specifier is used for a long int? Options are %d, %ld, %f, and %c. Option B is correct. %ld is used for long integers in C. Which of these stores more precise value? Options are float, double, int, and long int. Option B is correct. Double offers more precision than float. Which of these variable names is invalid? Options are total 1, underscore value, count dollar, and amount underscore 2. Option C is correct. The dollar sign is not allowed in C variable names. The keyword extern is used for. Options are declaring local variable, declaring global variable, declaring external variable, and declaring static variable. Option C is correct. Extern refers to variable defined in another file or scope. Which of the following declares a double pointer? Options are given below, and the correct option is B. A double pointer points to another pointer using two asterisks. Which modifier is used to force a variable to retain its value between function calls? Options are const, static, extern, and volatile. Option B is correct. Static variable retains their values even after the function ends. Which of these is not a valid value for a char? Options are A in single quotes, 1 in single quotes, A in double quotes, @ in single quotes. Option C is correct. A in double quotes is a string, not a single character. Which of the following is not a basic category of C data types? Options are derived, primary, identifier, and user defined. Option C is correct. Identifier is a name, not a data type category. What is the result of the following declaration? Options are x becomes 20, compilation error, runtime error, and undefined behavior. Option B is correct. Const variable cannot be modified. This causes a compile time error. Which of these is an arithmetic operator in C? Options are and, plus, equals, and double equals. Option B is correct. The plus sign is a basic arithmetic operator used for addition in C. What is the output of the following in C? Options are 3, 1, 0, and 10. Option B is correct. The modulo operator gives the remainder. 10 divided by 3 leaves a remainder of 1. Which operator is used for logical AND? Options are given below. And the correct option is B. Logical AND is represented by double ampersand in C. What does the following expression evaluates? Options are assignment, equality check, addition, and logical AND. Option B is correct. Double equals checks if two values are equal. Which is the correct operator for not equal? Options are not equals, angle bracket, tilde equal, equals not. Option A is correct, not equals. Not equals checks if two values are not equal. What is the result of 5 by 2 in C? Options are 2.5, 3, 2, and error. Option C is correct. Integer division discards the decimal, so 5 divided by 2 is 2. Which of the following has the highest precedence? Options are plus, multiply, assignment, and equal. Option B is correct. Multiplication has higher precedence than assignment and addition. What is the result of 4 plus 5 into 2? Options are 18, 14, 13, and 10. Option B is correct. Multiplication is done before addition. Which of these is a bitwise operator? Options are logical OR, bitwise left shift, logical AND, or equality operator. Option B is correct. This is a bitwise operator that shifts bit to the left. The others are logical or comparison operator. What is the meaning of A++? Options are pre-increment, post-increment, decrement, and double increment. Option B is correct. A++ increments the value after the current statement. The operator is used to assign a value to a variable. Options are equality operator, assignment operator, inequality operator, and access in structures. Option B is correct. The assignment operator assigns a value to a variable. For example, x equal to 5 assigns the value 5 to x. What is the result of plus plus a if a equal to 5? Options are 5, 6, error, and undefined. Option B is correct. Plus plus a increases the value before use, making it 6. What does the following expression mean? Options are invalid syntax, x, y, and z are initialized to 0, only z is equals to 0, and runtime error. Option B is correct. X, Y, and Z are initialized to 0. The expression changes assignment from right to left. What is the result of the following? Options are 0, 1, 2, error. Option A is correct. Logical AND is true only when both operands are true. What is the output of the following? Options are 1, 0, true, and undefined. Option B is correct. Not operator negates the value. Since 1 is true, it makes false. Which of the following is a unary operator? Options are plus, minus, increment, and modulo. Option C is correct. Plus plus operates on a single operand, making it unary. What is the output of the following? Options are 1, 2, 4, and 3. Option C is correct. Left shift moves bits. 2 became 4 after 1 left shift. Which of these is a ternary operator? Options are quotient colon, double and, increment, and left shift. Option A is correct. Quotient colon is known as ternary operator used for inline conditional expressions. What does the following statement means? Options are given below and option A is correct. The AND equal operator is a bitwise AND assignment. It performs a bitwise AND between A and B, then it stores the result back in A. Which of these is not a relational operator? Options are less than or equal to, not equal to, logical and equal to. Option C is correct. Double ampersand is a logical operator, not a relational operator. Relational operators compares value while logical operator combines Boolean expression. Which operator is used to access structure member using pointer? Options are dot, arrow, ampersand, asterisk. Option B is correct. The arrow operator is used to access member of a structure through a pointer. If A is equals to 5, what will be the value of A after executing A is equals to A asterisk A? Options are 10, 25, 5, 7. Option B is correct. Which operator has right to left associativity? Options are multiply, assignment, modulo, and plus. Option B is correct. Most operators in C have left to right associativity, but assignment operator like is equals to have right to left associativity. Result of the following expression. Options are 0, -1, 1, and -0. Option B is correct. 0 in binary is all zeros. Applying the bitwise NOT inverts all bits to 1, which represents -1 in 2's complement on a 32-bit machine. What is the result of the following? Options are compiler dependent, always 2, always 4, and always 8. Option A is correct. The size of int varies by compiler and system architecture. Of these is not an assignment operator. Options are plus equals, multiply equals, and double equals. Option D is correct. Double equals is a comparison operator used to check equality, not for assignment. The other assigns value with arithmetic operations. What is the output of the following? Options are 21, 22, 20, and undefined behavior. Option D is correct. Modifying and accessing A without sequence point causes undefined behavior. The output cannot be predicted. Which of these evaluates to true in C? Options are 5 greater than 3, 5 equals 3, 5 not equals 5, and 5 and 0. Option A is correct. This is a valid relational expression returning true. What is the result of the following expression? Options are 100, 200, 0, and x. Option A is correct. Since x is greater than 0, the condition is true, so 100 is assigned. Which operator cannot be overloaded in C? Options are plus, equals, size of, and ampersand. Option C is correct. C does not support operator overloading. Size of is a compile time operator and cannot be overloaded. Which keyword is used for decision making in C? Options are switch, if, else, and all of the above. Option D is correct. What is the output of this code? Options are no, yes, error, and nothing. Option B is correct. Since 5 is greater than 3, the if block execute and prints yes. Which loop execute at least once, even if the condition is false? Options are for, while, do while, and if. Option C is correct. The do while loop runs once before checking the condition. What is the output of the following? Options are 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, an infinite loop. Option A is correct. The loop prints values 0, 1, and 2. Which statement is used to exit a loop? Options are break, continue, return, and exit. Option A is correct. The break statement is used to terminate a loop early. Which loop is best when number of iteration is known? Options are while, for, do while, and switch. Option B is correct. The for loop is ideal when the number of iteration is known. What does the continue statement do? Options are exits the loop, skip rest of the loop and start next iteration, skips loop, and skips if statement. Option B is correct. Continue skips the current iteration and jump to the next. What is the purpose of the else if statement? Options are nested if, multiple decision, looping, and function. Option B is correct. Else if allows checking multiple conditions. How many times the code will run? Options are 4, 5, 6, and infinite. Option B is correct. It runs 5 times, 0 to 4. What is the output of this code? Options are hello, error, nothing, and infinite loop. Option C is correct. Since the condition is false initially, it prints nothing. Which is the correct syntax of a switch statement? Options are given below, and option A is correct. What is the output of the following? Options are 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 0. Option D is correct. The loop breaks when I is 3, so it prints 0, 1, 2. Which statement is used to jump to a label statement? Options are go to, break, jump, and skip. Option A is correct. The go to statement jumps to a labeled part of the code. What is the output of the following? Options are 123, 0123, 012, and 345. Option A is correct. It prints 123 as it starts at I is equals to 1. What is the output of this code? Options are 12345, 135, 12, and 246. Option B is correct. It prints 135 as I increments by 2. Can we use a switch with a char data type? Options are no, only for numbers, yes, only in C++. Option C is correct. Switch can be used with char as well as int data type in C. Which of the following is not a loop? Options are for, while, if, and do while. Option C is correct. If is a conditional statement, not a loop. Which keyword is used to terminate a function and return control? Options are break, return, continue, and exit. Option B is correct. The return keyword ends the function and returns control. What is the output of the following? Options are equal, not equal, error, and none. Option A is correct. Condition is true, so it prints equal. What is wrong in this code? Options are syntax error, infinite loop, skips loop, prints nothing. Option B is correct. I minus minus never reaches 5. It runs infinitely. Which loop is preferred when condition needs to be checked first? Options are for, while, do while, and if. Option B is correct. While checks condition before executing. How many times this will print high? Options are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Option C is correct. The loop runs from 1 to 3, means 3 times. Which is a valid if statement? Options are given below. Option B is correct. Option B follows correct C syntax. Which control structure is used for multi-way branching? Options are if else, switch, and for. Option C is correct. The switch allows multi-way branching based on case values. What is the output of this code? Options are 012, 123, 234, and 345. Option B is correct. I starts at 0, gets incremented before printing. What is the output of the following? Options are 0, 1, 2, and infinite loop. Option C is correct. Do while runs once, increment I from 1 to 2. The default label in switch. Options are must be last, can appear anywhere, is optional, and both B and C. Option D is correct. The default label is optional and can be placed anywhere. What happens when no break is used in switch? Options are compilation error, only one case runs, fall through occurs, and switch ends. Option C is correct. Without break, control moves to the next case. It means fall through. Which of the following is an entry control loop? Options are while, do while, go to, and switch. Option A is correct. In while, condition is checked before executing the loop body. What is the output of this code? Options are 123, 012, error, and 345. Option D is correct. This prints 012 as the loop condition is manually handled. What is the function in C? Options are data type, loop, block of code that performs a task, and variable. Option C is correct. A function is a reusable block of code designed to perform a specific task. Which keyword is used to define a function? Options are define, function, void, and none of the above. Option D is correct. Functions are defined using a return type and a name. Example, int add function. No specific function keyword is used. Which of the following is a valid function declaration? Options are given below. Option A is correct. Valid declaration syntax includes a return type, function name, and a parameters. What is the default return type of a function in C? Options are int, void, float, and double. Option A is correct. If not specified, the default return type in C is int. What is the return type of main function in C? Options are int, void, char, and none. Option A is correct. The standard return type of main function in C is int. What does void indicates in a function declaration? Options are no return value, error, variable type, and integer. Option A is correct. Void means the function does not return any value. What is recursion? Options are loop, function calling another function calling itself, and none. Option C is correct. Recursion is when a function calls itself. What is the output of the following? Options are return sum, error, print sum, and infinite loop. Option A is correct. The function returns the sum of two integers. How many times is the main function executed? Options are 0, 1, 2, and infinite. Option B is correct. Main function runs only once when the program starts. It is not a valid return type in C. Options are int, void, struct, and string. Option D is correct. C has no built-in string type. It uses char array or char pointer. And a function returns multiple values in C. Options are yes, no, only integers, only characters. Option B is correct. A function in C returns only one value. Use pointer or struct to simulate multiple returns. What is a function prototype? Options are call to a function, declaration before main, recursion, and inline function. Option B is correct. A prototype informs the compiler about a function's return type and parameter before its use. Which is the correct function call? Options are given below. Option C is correct. Function calls uses the name and the actual values. What is the scope of a local variable? Options are whole program, within the block, global, and header file. Option D is correct. Local variables are accessible only within the block where they are defined. What is actual parameter? Options are variable in function definition, variable in main function, value passed to a function, and none. Option C is correct. Actual parameters are values passed to a function during a call. What is a formal parameter? Options are variables that receives the value, variable in main, pointers, and return value. Option A is correct. Formal parameters are declared in a function definition to receive value. Which statement is used to return a value from a function? Options are break, exit, return, and continue. Option C is correct. Return is used to send value back from a function. Can you call a function before declaring in C? Options are yes, no, only in C++, and only with recursion. Option A is correct. As long as a prototype is declared before use, a function can be called before definition. What is the output of the following? Options are nothing, error, hello, and 0. Option C is correct. What is a library function? Options are user-defined, built-in function, only for loops, and compiler option. Option B is correct. Library functions are predefined function provided by C libraries. What is a valid library function in C? Options are printf, display, main, init. Option A is correct. Printf is a standard library function from stdio.h. Header file is required for printf. Options are math.h, stdlib.h, stdio.h, string.h. Option C is correct. stdio.h provides input-output functions like printf. Which keyword is used to prevent returning a value? Options are void, stop, break, and skip. Option A is correct. Void specifies that a function does not return a value. Can we define a function inside another function in C? Options are yes, no, only in loops, and depend on the compiler. Option B is correct. Nested function definitions are not allowed in standard C. What is the output of this code? Options are 8, 16, 4, and error. Option B is correct. The function returns 4 cross 4 is equals to 16. Which keyword is used to end execution of a function and go back? Options are break, stop, return, and end. Option C is correct. Return exits the function and optionally returns a value. What is the return type of main function if it returns nothing? Options are int, void, float, and char. Option D is correct. If main function returns nothing, the return type is void. What is the role of header files in functions? Options are include variable, define constant, provide declaration, and allocate memory. Option C is correct. Header files provide function declaration and macros definitions. Output of the following. Options are 1 1, 1 2, 0 1, and 2 2. Option B is correct. Static retains value between calls. First call returns 1, second returns 2. Which is the correct syntax for a function that doesn't returns a value and takes no argument? Options are given below. Option C is correct. Void function is a correct for no return and no parameters. What is an array in C? Options are a pointer, a structure, a collection of similar data elements, and a collection of different data types. Option C is correct. Arrays stores multiple elements of the same data type in contiguous memory location. What is the index of first element in C array? Options are -1, 0, 1, and depends on array. Option B is correct. In C, array indexing starts from 0. Which of the following correctly declares an array? Options are given below. Option A is correct. This is the correct syntax for declaring an array of 5 integers. What is the size of this array? Options are 10 bytes, 20 bytes, 40 bytes, and cannot be determined. Option C is correct. Which is the correct syntax to assign a value to the third element of an array A? Options are given below. Option A is correct. Indexing starts from 0, so A of 2 is the third element. What is the output of the code? Options are 1, 2, 3, and garbage. Option B is correct. A of 1 refers to the second element, which is 2. Happens if you access an index beyond the array size. Options are compilation error, 0 is returned, runtime error or garbage value, and value is auto-initialized. Option C is correct. Accessing out-of-bound indices leads to undefined behavior. How are arrays passed to a function in C? Options are by value, by reference, by pointer, and B and C. Option D is correct. When you pass an array to a function, it turns into pointer to the first element. Can arrays be multidimensional in C? Options are no, only 1D, yes, and only 2D. Option C is correct. C supports multidimensional array like 2D, 3D, etc. How to declare a 2D arrays of 3 rows and 4 columns? Options are given below. Option A is the correct syntax to declare a 2D array of 3 rows and 4 columns. Which function is used to find the length of a string? Options are len function, length function, strlen function, strsize function. Option C is correct. strlen function returns the number of characters before end of string. What is the output of the following? Options are 0, 1, 2, and garbage value. Option A is correct. Uninitialized elements are set to 0 if partially initialized. How do you initialize all elements of an array to 0? Options are given below. Option B is correct. Initializing with 0 sets all elements to 0. Can array size be negative? Options are yes, no, only in dynamic arrays, only with char arrays. Option B is correct. Negative size is invalid and cause compilation error. What is the maximum number of dimensions an array can have in C? Options are 1, 2, 3, and no official limit. Option D is correct. The limit depends on compiler and system memory. Which is correct for accessing all array elements? Options are given below. Option C is correct. Indexing starts at 0 and ends at n-1. What is the output of the following? Options are easy, easy/0, E, error. Option A is correct. %s prints the full string until end of the string. How many elements are in the following? Options are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Option C is correct. Which format specifier is used to print a character array? Options are %d, %c, %f, and %s. Option D is correct. %s is used to print strings. How is a string stored in C? Options are set of integers, arrays of character terminated by /0, arrays of float, and arrays of pointers. Option B is correct. Strings are char arrays ending with a null character. What is the output of this code? Options are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Option C is correct. As A of 1, 0 refers to the first element of the second row. Which header file is required for string functions like strlen function and strcopy functions? Options are stdlib.h, string.h, stdio.h, and conio.h. Option B is correct. String functions are declared in string.h. Which is a valid string initializations? Options are given below. Option A is correct syntax for initializing a string. What does this code do? Options are ends the string manually, removes last character, adds new line, and syntax error. Option A is correct. It manually adds string terminator. Which of the following modifies a string? Options are strcopy, strlen, strcmp, and sizeof. Option A is correct. strcopy function copies and modifies destination string. Which of the following is not a valid string functions? Options are strcmp, strcat, strref, strloop. Option D is correct. strloop is not a standard C function. Can we assign one array to another directly? Options are yes, no. Option B is correct. Arrays cannot be assigned directly in C. What is the output of the following? Options are 1, 2, 0, and error. Option B is correct. Which function is used to copy a string in C? Options are copy, strcpy, strcopy, and clone. Option B is correct. strcpy copies a string to another. Which of these can hold multiple rows and columns? Options are 1D array, 2D array, variable, and pointer. Option D is correct. 2D array stores data in matrix form. What is a pointer in C? Options are a function, a data type, a variable that stores address of another variable, and a reference. Option C is correct. A pointer holds the memory address of another variable. Which symbol is used to declare a pointer? Options are hash, asterisk, ampersand, percent. Option B is correct. The asterisk is used to declare a pointer. What does the ampersand operator do in C? Options are multiplies two numbers, declares a pointer, gives the address of a variable, and ends a program. Option C is correct. Ampersand returns the memory address of a variable. What does the asterisk operator do in pointers? Options are multiplies numbers, allocates memory, access value at address, and return size. Option C is correct. A dereferential operator gives the value at the address. How to declare a pointer to an integer? Options are given below. Option A is correct syntax for declaring an integer pointer. What is the output of the following? Options are 10, address of A, error, and 0. Option A is correct. Pointer P gives the value at address, which is 10. What does this code do? Options are prints 0, prints address, undefined behavior, and error. Option C is correct. Uninitialized pointer access leads to undefined behavior. What is a null pointer? Options are pointer pointing to address 0, pointer not initialized, pointer to void, and pointer to garbage. Option A is correct. Null pointer points to nothing. How to assign a null pointer? Options are given below. Option D is correct. Both null and 0x0 represent null pointers. What will size of pointer return? Options are size of data, size of pointer, 1 byte, varies with data type. Option B is correct. Pointer size depends on system architecture. What is pointer arithmetic? Options are arithmetic on data, arithmetic using addresses, arithmetic using values, and none. Option B is correct. Pointer arithmetic involves manipulating memory address. What does P++ do if P is a pointer? Options are increments address by 1 byte, increments address by size of type, adds value by 1, and causes error. Option B is correct. It increments the address by size of the data type. What is a wild pointer? Options are pointer to integer, pointer to null, pointer not initialized, and pointer to pointer. Option C is correct. While pointers are uninitialized and dangerous. Which of the following is a valid pointer declarations? Options are given below. Option D is correct. Both A and B are valid. But in C, int pointer P, Q makes only P a pointer. What is the output of the following code? Options are 5, error, address of A, and 0. Option C is correct. %P prints pointer address. What is the output of the following code? Options are 6, 5, address of A, and error. Option A is correct. Pointer P gives the value 5 and adding 1 gives the output 6. What is pointer to a pointer? Options are given below. Option B is correct. Int double pointer P stores the address of a pointer to int. How to declare a function that takes a pointer as argument? Options are given below. Option A is correct syntax for a function with int pointer parameter. Can we use pointers with arrays? Options are yes and no. Option A is correct. Arrays and pointers are closely related in C. Which is the correct syntax to access array elements using pointers? Options are given below. Option A is correct syntax to access an array element using a pointer. What will be the output of the following code? Options are 1, 2, 3, and error. Option C is correct. It accesses third element using pointer arithmetic. Which operator is used to access the value a pointer is pointing to? Options are ampersand, asterisk, arrow operator, and modulo. Option B is correct. Asterisk is used to dereference a pointer. What is the correct output of the following code? Options are 0, crash or segmentation fault, error, and print null. Option D is correct. Dereferencing null causes a crash. Which function dynamically allocates memory in C? Options are malloc, calloc, realloc, all of the above. Option D is correct. All three are memory allocation functions. Which header file is required for a dynamic memory allocation? Options are stdio.h, string.h, stdlib.h, and malloc.h. Option C is correct. stdlib.h contains memory functions like malloc. Which of these statements is used to free allocated memory? Options are delete, dispose, free, and remove. Option C is correct. Free function deallocates memory. What is a dangling pointer? Options are a null pointer, a pointer pointing to freed memory, an uninitialized pointer, a pointer to pointer. Option D is correct. It points to memory that is already freed. What is void pointer? Options are pointer with no memory, pointers to any data type, pointer to pointer, and not allowed in C. Option D is correct. Void pointer can point to any data type. Can we perform arithmetic on void pointer in C? Options are yes and no. Option B is correct. Pointer arithmetic is not allowed on void pointers. What is printed? Options are 10, 20, address, and error. Option D is correct. It modifies value via pointer. A becomes 20. What is a string in C? Options are an array of integers, an array of characters ending with null, a class, and a single character. Option B is correct. In C, strings are array of characters terminated by null character. Which of the following is a correct string declarations? Options are given below. Option A is correct. C uses char array to store strings. What is the output of the following code? Options are byte, B, error, and undefined. Option A is correct. %s prints the entire string until the null terminator. Which library must be included for string functions? Options are stdio.h, stdlib.h, string.h, and ctype.h. Option C is correct. String.h contains standard string manipulation functions. What is the use of strlen function? Options are copies string, compare string, finds length of a string, and reverse string. Option C is correct. strlen function returns the number of character before null. What is the output of the following code? Options are 10, 3, 4, and error. Option B is correct. ABC has 3 character. strlen returns 3. Which function is used to copy the string? Options are copy, strcopy, strcpy, and clone. Option C is correct. strcpy copies string. Which function compares two strings? Options are strcmp, strcompare, match, and strmatch. Option A is correct. strcmp compares two strings. What does the code returns? Options are 0, positive, negative, and depend on system. Option B is correct. Which string function concatenate two strings? Options are strcat, append, merge, and add string. Option A is correct. strcat appends second string to first. What is the result of the following code? Options are 8, 7, 9, and error. Option A is correct. EasyByte contains 8 characters. What is printed in the following code? Options are ABC, error, S1, and nothing. Option A is correct. strcpy copies S1 to S2, so printing S2 outputs ABC. Which header file contains two upper and two lower function? Options are string.h, stdio.h, ctype.h, and conio.h. Option C is correct. ctype.h contains character handling functions. Which function checks if the character is a digit? Options are is digit, is number, check digit, and is sum. Option A is correct. Is digit checks if a character is 0 to 9. What does hash define do in C? Options are defines a function, declares a variable, creates a macro, and includes a file. Option C is correct. Hash define creates a macro or constant. What is the output of this code? Options are pi, 3.14, error, and %f. Option B is correct. Macro replaces pi with 3.14 before compilation. What is the output of this code? Options are 30, 20, 10, and 25. Option D is correct. How can we avoid such macro issues? Options are use functions, use parentheses in macros, avoid macros, and use const. Option B is correct. Parenthesis ensures correct order of operations. What is the purpose of hash include? Options are declares a function, includes code from a file, compiles the file, and executes the file. Option B is correct. Hash include copies the content of another file. What is a header file? Options are C source file, executable, file with macros and function declaration, and binary file. Option C is correct. Header files declare functions and macros. What is the extension of C header files? Options are .txt, .h, .cpp, and .c. Option D is correct. Header files uses the .h extension. Which of the following is a standard header file? Options are stdio.h, input.h, maths.h, and scan.h. Option A is correct. stdio.h is a standard input-output header. Which preprocessor directive prevents multiple inclusion of a header files? Options are has if and def, has define, has and if, and all of the above. Option D is correct. Which preprocessor condition is correct? Options are given below. Option D is correct. Both A and B are valid. C is assignment, not comparison. Can macro take arguments? Options are yes, no, only in C++, and only integers. Option A is correct. Macros can be parameterized. What does this macro do? Options are 16, 12, 7, and 10. Option C is correct. Best way to write safe macro. Options are given below. Option B is correct. Parenthesis ensures correct evaluation. What is the output of the following? Options are max, 100, error, and nothing. Option D is correct. Macro replaces max with 100. Which of the following is not a preprocessor directive? Options are has define, has include, has if def, and has input. Option D is correct. Has input is invalid. What is the output of this code? Options are 5, error, 0, and undefined. Option B is correct. What is a structure in C? Options are a collection of different data types, a loop, a function, and a file. Option A is correct. A structure groups variable of different type under one name. Which keyword is used to define a structure? Options are class, struct, union, and typedef. Option B is correct. Struct is used to declare structure in C. What is the output of the following? Options are 1, 2, xy, error, and 2, 1. Option A is correct. It prints values of member x and y of struct P. How to access structure member? Options are given below. Option A is correct. We use dot operator to access member from struct variable. How to access structure member via pointer? Options are given below. Option B is correct. We use arrow operator to access members via pointer. Can structures be nested in C? Options are yes, no. Option A is correct. Structure can have other structure as members. What is the size of this structure? Options are 5, 8, 4, and depends on compiler. Option D is correct. Size varies due to padding or alignment rule by compiler. Which of the following is a correct way to declare a structure? Options are given below. Option A is correct syntax. Use struct keyword followed by name. Can structures have function in C? Options are yes and no. Option B is correct. C struct cannot contain functions. Only C++ supports this. What does typedef do in structures? Options are allocates memory, declares function, creates alias for structures, and call constructor. Option C is correct. Typedef creates a new name for a type. What is the output of the following code? Options are 10, error, item, and undefined. Option A is correct. Typedef allow uses of item as a type name. Can structure members be private? Options are yes and no. Option D is correct. C does not support access modifiers like private. What is a union in C? Options are like struct but memory is shared, multiple classes, function pointers, and a database. Option A is correct. Union stores all members in the same memory location. In a union, memory is shared among options are all members, no members, only one member at a time, and functions only. Option C is correct. only one member can hold a value at any moment. Which is true about union size? Options are size equals sum of all members, size equals size of largest member, size equals size of int only, and unknown. Option B is correct. Union size equals its largest member size. What is the output of following code? Options are A 65, error, and 0. Option A is correct. 65 is ASCII for A. Union saves memory. Can unions have pointers? Options are yes and no. Option A is correct. Unions can have pointer members. Which keyword defines an enumeration? Options are enum, list, defined, and type. Option A is correct. Enum defines enumerated types. What is the default value of first enum item? Options are 1, 0, undefined, and 255. Option B is correct. Enum starts at 0 by default. What is the value of blue here? Options are 1, 2, 3, and error. Option C is correct. Values increment from the explicitly set 1. What is the output of the following code? Options are 1, 2, 3, and 0. Option C is correct. Can enums be assigned custom values? Options are yes and no. Option A is correct. Which is true about enum? Options are enum values are integers, enum values are floats, enum values are strings, and none. Option A is correct. Enum values represent integral constants. What is the output of the following? Options are 5, 6, 0, and error. Option B is correct. Which statement is correct? Options are enum is a user-defined data type, enum is a function, enum is a constant pointer, and enum is a macro. Option A is correct. Enum is a user-defined data type, which can be used to represent named integer constants. Options are hash defined, enum, const, and all of the above. Option D is correct. All of the above can define constant in C. Can enums be used in switch case? Options are yes and no. Option A is correct. Enums values can be used as case labels. What is the output of this code? Options are 1, mon, 0, and error. Option A is correct. Mon is the second enum item, means default value is 1. Are enums type safe in C? Options are yes and no. Option B is correct. C enums are not strictly type safe. Which of the following is true? Options are enum saves memory, enums improve code readability, enum allows symbolic names, and all of the above. Option D is correct. Enum enhances readability, save memory, and use symbols. Which header file is required for file operations in C? Options are stdlib.h, stdio.h, string.h, and math.h. Option B is correct. stdio.h contains functions for file handling like fopen and fclose. Which function is used to open a file? Options are open, fopen, fileopen, and fopenfile. Option B is correct. fopen opens a file and returns a file pointer. What does fopen function returns if the file fails to open? Options are null, 0, -1, and end of file. Option A is correct. It returns null pointer if unable to open file. Which mode opens a file for writing only and creates a new file if it does not exist? Options are R, W, A, and R+. Option B is correct. W mode creates or truncates file for writing. Which mode opens a file for appending data? Options are R, W, A+. Option C is correct. A opens file to append data at the end. Which function closes an opened file? Options are fclose function, close function, file close function, and end file function. Option A is correct. Fclose function closes the file and free resources. What is the return type of fgetC function? Options are int, char, void, and file pointer. Option A is correct. It returns an int to allow end of file and char values. What does fgetC function do? Options are reads a character from a file, writes a character to a file, opens a file, and closes a file. Option A is correct. It reads next character from the given file stream. What does fprintf function do? Options are reads formatted input from a file, writes formatted output to a file, writes unformatted data to a file, and reads unformatted data from a file. Option B is correct. It writes formatted data like printf but to a file. Which function reads a string from a file? Options are fgets function, gets function, scanf function, fscanf function. Option A is correct. Fgets function reads a line or a string safely from a file. Which function writes a string to a file? Options are fputs function, puts function, fprintf function, printf function. Option A is correct. Fputs function writes a string to a file without formatting. What does feof function returns? Options are non-zero if end of file reached, 0 if end of file reached, number of characters read, and end of file value. Option A is correct. It returns non-zero after end of file is detected. What is the purpose of rewind function? Options are close file, move file pointer to beginning, move file pointer to end, and flush buffer. Option B is correct. It sets file position indicator to starts of file. What is a file pointer? Options are a pointer to a variable, a pointer to a file stream, a pointer to a memory address, and none of the above. Option B is correct. File points to internal file stream structure. Which function moves the file pointer to a specific location? Options are fseek function, seek function, fmove function, fset function. Option A is correct. fseek function changes the file position indicator. Which function tells current position of file pointer? Options are ftell function, tell function, fpost function, and post function. Option A is correct. ftells function returns correct position of a file. What does fread function do? Options are reads binary data from file, writes binary data to file, read text data from file, and write text data to file. Option A is correct. fread function reads block of binary data from file. What is the use of fwrite function? Options are reads binary data, writes binary data, read text data, and writes formatted text. Option B is correct. Fwrite function writes block of binary data to file. What is EOF? Options are end of file, error on file, exit on file, and none. Option A is correct. EOF signals that no more data can be read from file. What value does EOF hold? Options are 0, -1, 255, and none. Option B is correct. EOF is usually defined as -1 in stdio.h. What is the output of this code? Options are file opened successfully, file not found, error, and no output. Option B is correct. fopen returns null if file doesn't exist in R mode. Which function flushes the output buffer? Options are flush function, clear function, fclear function. Option A is correct. Flush function forces writing buffer data to file. Can a file be opened simultaneously in read and write mode? Options are yes and no. Option A is correct. R plus and W plus modes allow both reading and writing. Which mode opens a file for both reading and appending? Options are R plus, W plus, A plus, and RW. Option C is correct. A plus opens file for reading and appending. Can file pointers be null? Options are yes and no. Option A is correct. Null indicates file open failure. Which function is used to remove a file? Options are delete function, remove function, unlink function, and erase function. Option B is correct. Remove function deletes the file from the file system. Which function renames a file? Options are rename function, change function, move function, and alter function. Option A is correct. Rename function changes file name or location. In file handling, files can be opened in binary or text mode. Options are both, only text, only binary, and none. Option A is correct. Files can be opened in either binary or text mode. Which function reads formatted input from a file? Options are scanf function, fscanf function, gets function, and fgets function. Option B is correct. Fscanf function reads formatted data from a file. What is the correct way to check end of file? Options are given below. Option A is correct. FEOF function returns non-zero if end of file reached. Great job! You just completed 300 plus C language MCQs. Comment your score below and tell us which topic you found the hardest. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.